Assembly process of cable connectors. Dust particles and moisture enters the junction of welding cable and brass insert. Copper reacts with oxygen and moist dust particles accelerate the formation of blue-color copper oxide. Deposition of copper oxide decreases conductivity, overheats, and ultimately the cable connector fails. Senor unique design of cable connector incorporates an expandable sealing ring that can accommodate the minimum and maximum diameter of welding cable permitted as per the specifications. The unique feature of sealing ring prevents dust particles and moisture from reaching the junction of welding cable and brass insert. It means no formation of copper oxide salt. This increases the life more than 4 times the conventional and commercially available cable connectors. That means the customer is saving 75% of the cost. Say yes to the very long life, unique design, Senor cable connectors.